How to generate an API token for a Telegram bot. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create a Telegram bot and generate an API token in just a few minutes. Whether you are a developer or just curious, this guide will help you get started with Telegram bot. So let's dive in. First, open your Telegram app and search for BotFather. It's the official Telegram bot for managing other bots. Look for the verified account with a blue tick, check mark and tap on it. Now tap on the three horizontal line at the bottom. Then select new bot and send it. BotFather will now ask you to choose a name for your bot. This can be anything. Let's say my ISM bot. Type name and hit send. Next, it will ask for a username. This must be unique and must end with the word bot. So let enter ISM helper bot. Great, once you have successfully created the bot, BotFather will instantly generate an API token for you. It will look something like this. This token is super important. It's allow you to connect your bot to Telegram API and start sending message, automatic tasks and more. Make sure to store this token safely. If someone else get access to it, they can control your bot. If you ever need to revoke it, just type revoke in BotFather and get a new one. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.